That is what is inside of a 6-month-old LG water filter. I have a standard, see if I can show you what it looks like here. Just a standard water filter from LG that's been used for a while. It is an LT1000. Question is, what's inside? I'm going to just try a few things out. So we're going to just start with putting a glove on. Safety first. Not that this is particularly safe. But let's just go ahead and we're going to just try to cut it off right here at the top. Okay, man, these things are solidly put together, welded together with plastic and stuff. There we go. Bottom is off, but I've managed to get nowhere. Let's see if I can pry this top out. I had no idea they were sealed at the bottom like that. Here we go. Bigger hammer, so to speak. $200 gallons, 6 months. Just a big charcoal insert. That's what I see. There you have it. It is actually a charcoal insert with a little piece of filter paper around the outside. So I'd assume that's kind of like a pre-filter before it hits the carbon. Or maybe it goes on the inside and pushes out. Either way, it's just a block of solid carbon.